Yo, it's Levine here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find your forgotten Wi-Fi passwords with not only one but three different methods, but one is dependent on Windows 10 or 11. So let me ensure you that you can find your Wi-Fi password if you stick with me throughout this video. So without any further ado, let's get this job done. Okay, so for the first method, if you're already connected to your network with Ethernet, but you want to change your Wi-Fi password, like you even forgot it, right? Just type in 192.168.1.1, right? That would be your modem panel, like default modem panel access for almost every modem, right? And then type in admin for both username and password, and just get into your Wi-Fi panel and change the Wi-Fi password as simple as that. But this only works if you're connected via Ethernet right now. But let's say you're not even connected to your network via Ethernet. You're connected via Wi-Fi network. At that point, you want to follow this method. Okay, so if your device is already connected to that Wi-Fi network, but you forgot the password of it, you just want to get into Control Center, like Control Panel, my bad, and then change View By to large icons instead of category, right? Just click on Network and Sharing Center. And then at this point, just click on the Wi-Fi that you already connected to, but you forgot the password of it, right? And then after that, just select Wi-Fi properties and get into Security tab. So just by clicking the box, you can have your Wi-Fi password revealed. It's easy as a pie, right? So this was one trick if you are already connected to the specific Wi-Fi, but you do not know the password of it, right? Let's now get into the other methods if you're not even connected to your own Wi-Fi network and you do not know the password of it. Okay, so if none of these methods work for you, you have to manually check the backside of your modem. In my case, this is my password that is written down in here, and the default username and password, like many other modems, is admin and admin. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you had any question and any problem throughout this process, just ask me down in here in the comment section, and I'll promise that I will get back to you within 1 hour. So please take care of yourself and peace out.